I love vintage books. And because I love them so much, I love ripping them to shreds, absolutely ruining them, and then putting my art in them. You want to join me? Here are some of my favorites. There's something about that old and new that just makes my heart absolutely sing. Something about the Titan Buff and the Lumo Pink that makes me exceptionally happy. This journal makes me happy. Junk journals make me happy, and I love junk journal. January, I love junk journal. July, and I love bits of paper. And so when Meg invited us to choose a prompt, I knew that I had to go for details because I am all about those. I think it's the only thing I do, the only thing I focus on really. And when I think about details, I think about cropping. I think about these supplies, choosing the supplies intentionally and making sure that I'm using only the very specific ones that I want to play with. So I encourage you to take all your bits, crop them, turn them into details.
Devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one. No we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. it could see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
And you know what? I think that this is what makes being an artist. Noticing the details, being able to take an entire life and focus just on the little bits, to really look into those little bits, to take the time to put them into a journal, to take the time to reflect on them. And same with all the paper bits, just taking little bits. And so this glorious quote that I have from Liz, which is, be delighted by your own making, your own creating. I thought it was beautiful. I typed it up with my typewriter, and then I took even the details of that little quote and I lettered it. I used a paintbrush that is new to me and I am not enjoying it. It came out a bit weirder than I would have liked, and so you know what? I get to go over it with my Kuretake. Doesn't quite fix it, but I had fun, and it kind of made me delighted while I was doing it. Have a great junk journal July, and I'm going to show you some more details of my detail spread.